Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back if you are a subscriber already, and welcome if you are new to my channel. My name is Mary and I go by Glam with Mary Da, and I'm here to give you a rookie review and somehow tutorial of a look. So if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be using the Artist Couture Supreme Bronze palette. You guys, I'm really excited to use this palette and it's such a beautiful palette. I'm going to go over it. Obviously, I'm going to be comparing it to the old Supreme Nudes palette that came out a year ago. And yeah, you guys, so if you're interested in seeing my rookie review and my rookie tutorial, please keep on watching. Here it is, you guys, the new Artist Couture Supreme Bronze palette. I'm extra excited for this palette, you guys. The packaging is so beautiful. You guys are probably like, she's always excited, but makeup makes me excited. So if it makes you excited, you kind of get me, you know. But anyways, you guys, Mac Daddy has done it again a year later after launching Supreme Nudes, which was a total success. I say that because I really did love this palette. I love it to this day. And this one, I saw a lot of similarity because obviously I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. The packaging is the same, but like all the other Artist Couture palettes, it's very similar. You get this like flat texture. Well, whatever. I'll move, what the hell. I'll get to that once I open the packaging and everything. I'm like already jumping to that. So let's open it up, you guys. So the packaging is so beautiful and you can see the reflection when the light hits, which is so nice. And he did say that we're getting a hot girl summer palette, and that is what he's giving us. So obviously agree with that. So this one is obviously the same packaging as Supreme Nudes, but this one does have a reflection to it, the font, which I really love. And obviously I kind of really wanted to vibe with the palette. That's why I'm wearing this shirt, this color of top, sorry, and my caramel brown contacts. I wanted to just get into the vibe. Obviously this top is nothing to do with summer because of the print, but obviously it's the shade, the tone of color that I wanted to incorporate with this video or whatever. Anyways, I'm talking too fast and I'm talking like out of topic, but anyways, let's open her up and see what it looks like. And it's so beautiful, you guys. Like, oh my god, so beautiful. I'm going to compare this palette to the Supreme Nudes, and this is the Supreme Nudes. This is what it looks like. It might be a little dirty, but I'm sorry about that. But obviously I said I was going to compare them and I haven't even put them together. Anyways, so this is what they look like, and obviously these shades in the bottom are more cool than these. These are really warm, which I love. I love my warm neutrals. And you guys, I'm going to be doing a look with this palette. I'm super excited for that, and I'm going to go over the shades with you guys. So pretty much the most similar color that I see here with the Supreme Nudes palette would have to be this like light shade right here. This one, oh, don't drop it now. So it's this shade right here, and I'm shaking because like my arms are a little sore because I've been working out. And okay, so this shade right here is like the most similar, and toasty as well. These are the only two similar shades, but other than that, that's pretty much it. So okay, so I'm gonna put this one away because obviously this is a new one, so this is the one that's getting all the attention now. So okay, so this, I'm going to go over the shades with you guys. So I do have the description here on my phone just to be more accurate. So Mirage is this matte light warm beige, which is so beautiful. I love this palette for, you know, those soft glam looks, obviously, and for those quick looks, because you have your perfect shades for this. So Topless would be the matte cool top color here, and which I'm living for. I love a cool tone shadow. And glisten would be the gunmetal with multidimensional silver pearls, which is this one right here. I'm loving that shade right there. I just love like applying these shades with my ring finger. Like I just love getting into it with my ring finger. Like I don't really use a brush for those because I feel like those go on so much better with the ring finger. So shady would be this one right here, which is the matte charcoal. We actually get a black eyeshadow in this palette, which is amazing. Oh wait, girl. Oh yeah, it is that one. Oh my god, I'm like, what the hell? Anyway, so sand is this metallic bronze champagne right here, which is so beautiful. I love shimmery champagne. Oh my god, my hands are like really shaky. I'm so sorry. I'm just like really sore because I've been working out. So every time I lift up my arms, like I feel like they shake. It's not because I'm like shy or anything. Well, I'm still shy, but whatever. Like it's not like that big of a deal anymore. So HBIC would be this bronze with multidimensional gold pearls, which is this one right here. And you guys, I've been wanting to get the Natasha Denona, the bronze edition palette. I forgot the name right now. Like I can't even think about it. I'm so shook. I'm so like into this palette that I forgot about that palette that I wanted to get. But I wanted to get that palette as well, and you guys know that one is in the pricier side. That one's 65 and this one retails for 42, which is obviously I've been getting all of Artist Couture's palettes, and they are so buttery and so pigmented that obviously I couldn't, like, I had to get this one. This is why I love these shimmer colors, because obviously with the ring finger, like I said, I can just apply it so easily and so beautiful, and they go on really well. They glide on really nice. So I'm gonna move on. So Gilded is the metallic orange copper, which is this one right here, which is so beautiful. They're all so beautiful, you guys. I can't get over it. And the next shade is Tantalize, which is this metallic red copper, which I can't wait to play with that one. So Sun Kiss is this matte terracotta orange right here. Toasty is obviously the next one next to it, which is a matte caramel brown. Soleil is this yellow gold with multidimensional gold pearls. So Baked is this matte dark chocolate brown, which I can't wait to put on. I can't wait to put all of them. Let's put it that way. Anyways, you guys, so I'm going to be jumping on to the tutorial, which I can't wait, you guys. I feel like my voice is like, I don't know what the hell. Like I was coughing right before this because my throat got really dry. Excuse me. And can we talk about these cute water bottles, you guys? Target. I love the Target brand water. It's cute. So I actually love these because my baby actually does drink water when we get these, because they're so tiny. So he's like always like just drinking out of them. So that's cool. I get him to drink water because he just doesn't want to drink any water. He wants to be stuck. You see how I get out of topic? Anyways, he just wants to be drinking like Capri Suns or like Gatorades, and like when we get these, he starts like drinking water, which is really cool. Okay, I know what you guys are thinking. I started off this eye off camera. I know, I'm so sorry. My camera died and I had to just let it charge, and I'm trying to save this video by doing this eye with you guys. So to start off, you guys, I used Toasty, this shade right here, beautiful brown tone shade. I'm using it with a Morphe A11 brush, and these are the new brushes that Morphe came out with, and I'm going to put that on the crease. I obviously blended out my P. Louis base, and I'm just going to apply that on the crease and then just blend it all over. For some reason, you guys, I always do this eye better than this one. I don't know why. So this works out good, right? Okay, you guys, so moving on to my second color, and this is going to be my outer corner color, and this is, I'm going to be using Baked, and it's this dark brown right here, and I'm going to be using it with another Morphe brush, and this is the A20, which is slightly smaller than the bigger one, the big blending one. So this one I can put it into my crease, like I'm going to put this here. Like that, and I'm gonna bring it up towards my crease. And I'm just going to bring it out, you guys. I'm not going to be doing a wing, so I'm just going to like bring it out like that, create like kind of like a wing effect. Okay, so now I'm going to be using another blending brush, you guys, and this is just another Morphe brush, and it's kind of like all over the place now. And I'm going to just blend those two shades together. And now moving on to the shimmer shade, I am using HBIC, which is this one right here. I really wanted to focus, it's really weird. Okay, so I'm going to be using my ring finger, and you see how it looks in this eye. Obviously I wanted to do it with you guys, but I couldn't. So now, okay, wow, so beautiful. Okay, you guys, so this is what it looks like. Such a beautiful bronzy pressed pigment. I love it so much. I'm actually going to put on my lashes and do my brows off camera, and I'll be right back to finish off the eye look. So I'm back and my lashes are on, and so are my eyebrows. So I'm going in with this LA Girl gel liner, and this is just a brown gel liner, and I'm going to apply that. I was aiming to use a black, you guys, but I don't want it to be that intense. I just want it to be, I just want it to be smoky but not too dark. So I think brown is about it. Okay. Now I'm going to add Baked, which is that outer corner color that we use with the same brush, and this brush is the Morphe an Aerial brush, you guys, and it's A18, which is like perfect for this, really perfect for this under eye color shade that I'm putting here. I'm sorry if I'm not specific, I'm trying to get better at this. Okay, you guys, so this is a final look. I really did enjoy. I love this palette so much. It's definitely a must if you need a neutral palette and you want a new palette for the summer. I definitely do recommend it. And $42, it's super inexpensive, which is great for the for what you're getting. And you guys, I just wanted to say that I know my tutorial wasn't as good, just because my camera has been dying on me, like it's messing up. Not my camera, my battery, I'm sorry. My battery has been really messing up. I don't know, like it just gets hot and it turns off and it sucks. I'm going to buy a new one, so bear with me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!